Many times I've seen this. Many people are sad, not due to lackness of health and wealth, not due to material happiness. The reason of his sadness is his lackness of thinking, due to very short seeingness. And the reason of his sadness is something different. They are eligible to distinguish between love and attraction. He thinks that love is attraction. He is not proper distinguish between love and attraction. He should know that attraction is everlasting with time, and love is never last with time. When a person's lost his attraction for anybody, he ignored that person. But you always want love from that person. That is not possible. Then a person who expects the love to anybody, for anybody, from anybody, frustrated. And this is the main reason of his sadness.